Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable common UI plugin correctly. And besides enabling plugin, there is this option that you have to change when enabling the plugin. So I'm going to show you that. So in this tutorial series or this tutorial playlist, I am going to show you how common UI can be changed. So if you don't have any idea of what common UI is, there are plenty of resources that says what common UI is. Common UI is basically a new framework that you can use to create in-game UI that is flexible and that enables you many options uh, that was not in Unreal Engine UMG designer before. So there are a bunch of options or features that we can use in common UI when especially creating a AAA ready type of game UI. So it eliminates many hard work that you have to do when creating some advanced complex UI systems for your game. So yeah, that's basically it. So common UI have its privileges. So before we are going to use them, first we have to enable the common UI plugin. So this is how you are going to enable common UI plugin. You basically have to go to edit menu and find this plugin section and go to plugins, and you can see there's this search button and you have to search common UI, and now it shows this common UI plugin, and you can see it's still in beta version, and you can click on this checkbox and it shows this message window, and it warns you about the beta version, and you just have to click yes, and it shows you must restart the Unreal Editor for your changes to take effect. So I'm going to click on restart now. Now the Unreal Editor is restarting. Great. Now I have my engine restarted, and the next thing you have to do is close this plugin. You have to go to project settings, go to edit menu, you have to go to project settings, then you have to search for viewport, and you will see that there's this option called game viewport client class, right? Once you have activated common UI plugin, you will see there is another option called common game viewport client. So common UI common UI plugin features to work correctly, you have to select this common game viewport client class in here and restart it. Great. The second restart has already completed, and now you can go to blueprints, and let's go to here, blueprint class, and go to all classes. Now if you can search, there are a bunch of nodes that has the common prefix, right? So this means now your common widgets are activated. Now you can use these common UI features. Now I am going to stop here, and you will find other tutorials in the playlist regarding common UI features. That's it guys. Thank you.